adding a tow hitch to my Gravely so that I can tow things like this. Honestly not sure why it doesn't come with one from the factory, but found this on Amazon for pretty cheap. What I did is just put it up here, measured it, marked, and started drilling. This is pretty thick steel, so you want a cobalt bit. When you're drilling metal, it's a good idea to grease it up a little bit, keep the wear down on your drill bit. It has holes there, but of course those don't fit. They probably sell a Gravely version of this for 5 times the price that lines up to those holes. This installation, I purposely did it to where I could slide it around, try to get it as centered as possible. And I'm going to use some lock washers and nuts on the inside. It's approximately centered. You can see in there there's plenty of clearance to do what you need to do. And now I will be able to tow.